With this Japanese dipping sauce, there's no need to marinate your food. Go ahead, grill it out in its raw form, dip it into this easy to make dynamic sauce, and knock yourself out. Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, and we're going to dive into a Japanese dipping sauce, a sesame seed yakiniku Japanese dipping sauce. Buckle up, let's go. So let's begin this Japanese dipping sauce. We'll work with the ground sesame seeds first. Grab 1½ teaspoons, throw them into a mortar and pestle. If you don't have a mortar and pestle, you can put the sesame seeds into a plastic bag. You can use a meat tenderizer, the flat part of it, pound it down, or you can use a saute pan or sauce pot, the bottom flat part of that pot, and kind of smash it down. We're going for a coarse grinding of these sesame seeds, so it doesn't have to be a fine powder. To this yakiniku sauce, we're going to add some toasted sesame seeds, ½ teaspoon. Put it on a burner in a sauce pot over medium heat. So these guys will toast pretty quick, maybe 1 to 2 minutes, just depending on heat. So don't walk away. Make sure that you give the saucepan a little bit of a shimmy and a shake. Once they start to turn a nice golden brown and release an aroma of a nutty toasted type flavor, you're ready to go. Take them off heat, put them into a glass container, and then they're ready to be put into the yakiniku sauce a little later. But look at that beautiful golden toasted color. That'll add a lot of flavor to this dipping sauce. The prep work for this Japanese dipping sauce is done. Grab a small sauce pot, put it over medium heat. Then we're going to put in some soy sauce, regular soy, 1/4 cup or 63 milliliters. For this homemade yakiniku sauce, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of mirin. This homemade Japanese dipping sauce recipe is really versatile. It's quick and easy to make. It goes on vegetables, goes on steak, fish, chicken, tofu, you name it, you can dip it in it and it tastes great. Grab a little bit of sesame seed oil. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of sesame seed oil in. This sesame seed yakiniku sauce is a small batch. The sauce pot that I'm using is 2 cups or 500 milliliters, but a little bit of this will go a long way. We're still over medium heat, and now it's time to add a little bit of garlic. We're going to put in 1 clove of garlic, or 5 grams. It's been minced. It doesn't have to be finely chopped. We're going to filter this out in the end. To round out those flavors for this yakiniku sauce, we're going to put in a little bit of sweetness, some sugar, granulated sugar, 2½ tablespoons, or 35 grams. So that's all we're going to put into the sauce pot right now. We're going to take the sesame seeds, we'll add them in at the very end. But for right now, go ahead, give this a little bit of a stir. We're still over medium heat. Make sure that all of the sugar's dissolved, all the ingredients are incorporated. We'll simmer this ever so gently for 3 minutes. All right, so it's been about 3 minutes. Everything's well incorporated. The sugar's dissolved. This yakiniku sauce is looking perfect. We'll remove it from heat, let it sit for about 10 minutes and cool, and let those flavors infuse. And don't be too impatient. Let it sit, let it infuse those flavors for 10 minutes, and then grab a mixing bowl or a measuring cup and a strainer and strain out the garlic. And this Japanese dipping sauce is just really dynamic. It's just the flavor just really offsets anything that you're putting in it. It's just really absolutely delicious and quick and easy to make. Now that the sauce has been strained, it's time to add the sesame seeds. Grab the ground sesame seeds and the toasted sesame seeds, put them on in. Grab a spoon, give it a quick mix, make sure that it's well incorporated. Then you're ready to pour it into a container and ready to dip away. Now it's time to go on out, give it a shot, try it out, come on back, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Well, thanks for watching. Please share this video with your friends. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and to remember, as always, my friends, to live, love, and make gravy.